maybe hear from the producers. Okay, Adi, you want to answer his question on what is your daytime activity? I'm also quite curious how you manage your time.
If there is nothing to do, then you know what I do? I will open my ERA portal and look at my agent commission. Who is doing badly? Then I will start calling them. Yeah. I will start calling them. Hey, how come you do so badly? Tonight personal meeting, personal coaching. Okay. My personal coaching, I think Marcus also knows. Sometimes at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay.
His personal coaching starts at 11 p.m. ends at 4 a.m. And they took shift to do that.
So there's always something to do. There's always something to do. If you you are not doing anything, there's something wrong with you. Okay, not with the system.
Okay, Kevin Kwah, you seems like you also a person that don't need sleep. Can you tell us more about your daily activity?
You guys will know Lionel Messi versus Cristiano Ronaldo. So Lionel Messi is actually the more